How was breakfast, you guys? Nice? My coffee? Great. Yesterday I forgot coffee until it was 12 o'clock or 12:18, let me not joke. And I was so tired. I was like, oh my gosh, I haven't had coffee. You want to play?
No, it's coming up.
Okay, there's neighbor dog. Let's go this way, guys. Oh my gosh, my coffee is so good. Sorry if I'm slurping in the background. Yeah, let's go in the grass. Good. And you? Good. Now you and me, we just stay quietly here. Let them do their work. We just drink our coffee. Yeah, you can go inside, honey. Thanks for helping.
I'm so happy.
I'm happy too.
Because when it's Christmas, I think the puppies are going to get something, right?
What are the puppies going to get for Christmas?
Bones, like a lot of bones.
Oh, that's a good idea, yeah.
I think they're going to get a big, I think they're going to get a baby sheep.
You're going to get a baby, the puppies are going to get a baby sheep for Christmas.
Yeah, I think that's in both. That's bones, yeah. Meat.
Mabel, would you like a baby sheep? Oh, you want a live one or a dead one?
It's dead, yeah.
Oh, so for them to eat. Oh.
Yeah.
Did you want to eat a baby sheep? I don't know if you can eat baby sheep. Oh, you're finished, Churchill? You're done your business? You feel better?
Yeah,
Do you feel better?
They say, yeah, I want to eat meat. I think they're missing. I think Santa's going to get that.
Okay, interesting.
The North Pole.
Yeah, but,
Mom, I have a good idea.
uh-huh.
So we bring the puppies.
Uh-huh.
I've got them our coats. We put them on.
Mm-hmm.
Then they can't get cold. Then we can go see Santa's elf and Santa. Would it be mad?
If who?
Or we see Santa. Would he be mad?
Why would Santa be mad?
Or we go to the North Pole and see his reindeers. But I didn't hear him saying ho ho ho. Does he actually do that? Oh yeah, they're going. Let's go.
Maybe they want to go to their front garden. Their dirt garden island. Do you guys want to go to Dirt Island?
Dirt Island? What does that even mean? Stop driving.
Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi.
Okay, I have it. Wait a second. Puppy gravity. Puppy gravity.
Yes, my son talks all the time. All the time. Okay, let's go. Mama's getting a coffee first. I'm going to get a refill. We're going to go to Dirt Island, okay? Yep, yep. You guys going to know the word Dirt Island? Second coffee, second lap.
Okay, guys, Mom, we have to stay here on the grass.
Why?
Because when I was waiting for you, and there was something didn't like. Then it went on my t-shirt or something.
Oh, is it a drip?
I think. Don't know. Bite me.
Oh, you got a bug bite?
Dirt Island.
Yeah, Dirt Island's over here.
That's Dirt Island.
Yeah, look.
This is Dirt Island.
Yeah, you don't go in Dirt Island. Dirt Island's for dogs. You guys want to go back to Dirt Island today? Say yes. I want to go the hardest way possible to Dirt Island. Right through the, yeah, just go through the bush. Don't go where there's no plants. Go definitely where there's plants. And what about you, Mabel?
Mabel is scared.
No, they don't want Dirt Island today. You guys are over it. Oh, there we go. There's Dirt Island. Yeah. Oh, it's maybe because you're taller. Does Dirt Island make you taller? Oh. Does it make you taller a little bit? Thank you.
What is he doing?
They're saying hi. Oh, I hear who? Washira. Should we open for Washira?
Why?
Because he's at the gate. Let's open. Oh, no, let's wait because. Thank you. Because we have the puppies. Oh, you're back in Dirt Island now. Yeah, you stay Dirt Island.
And we're not leaving you guys.
We're not.
And I can take care of them. Are they shy?
No, they're watching. Do you remember Washira? He drove you home from the airport. He drove us home from the airport. There. Okay, now it's safe. Oop. Are they loving on you?
They did smell my t-shirt or something.
Yeah, they're like, gee, you smell like a boy.
He's licking my t-shirt, I think.
He's trying to lick you. Or is your t-shirt dirty?
That tickles.
Oh, don't shout. He likes it. He says, my mama likes it when she gets cleaned up. My mama likes it when I clean her up. I do. I do like it. I do like it.
Should we go inside now? You want the puppies to come inside?
They're playing.
Oh, we can make a puppy house for the dogs in the office.
What a great idea.
Can we build it?
Sure.
Okay, I need a hammer.
Oh,
And you need a ruler. Like this.
I need a measuring tape.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then they can go inside and play everything. Then we can bring their beds. Then it will be nice.
Okay. You hear that one? That's a funny bird. Churchill, really. And there goes Churchy. Mabel, are you going to be brave too? Mabel, did your boyfriend leave you? Did he just walk off? Did he just walk off? He did, Mabes. He did, Mabel. He did, Mabel. He went with Oliver. He said, hey, Oliver, I'll go with you. Hey, Oliver, I'll go with you. Hey. You brought him back?
Yep. He's just gonna follow me because he's saying, wait, I wanna come.
There he is. Hi, Churchill.
Wait.
It's like you're leaving again. Thanks, Ollie. That was good dog ownership right there. But you're almost getting over Churchill. You funny kids. Funny puppies. Good thing I didn't give you a bath last night like I wanted to. Good thing I was too tired. Hi. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. You're very cute. You're very cute. You're very cute. Mabel's looking for something. What are you looking for, Mabel? Just make yourself at home. Make yourself at home. Well, you don't have to rip my tree apart. Then it won't be comfortable to stand on, right? Your cushioning will go away. Dirt island will just be dirt without the island part. Man, good girl. I almost know your name. Mabel, don't bite my tree all the time, okay? Thanks. Now they see Esther. Like, I don't know about Esther. Is she carrying baskets? Yeah, they're for Grandma's house. Grandma wants her baskets back.
Hi, Churchill. Now we can go to Mobile.
Good morning, honey pie. Good morning, honey pie. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Churchill, you're very sweet and I love you. And I love you. And I love you. What should we do? Now we're sitting again. I thought you guys wanted Dirt Island. You're over it. You want Dirt Continent. There's Dirt Continent over there. The big Dirt Continent. Should we go investigate it? What do you think? Are you going to investigate the house today? You guys haven't even investigated the house. Okay, let's keep going. We don't need to sit. We don't need to sit. Come on. You're not sure, Mabes? I'm going to take them, see if they want to go in this dirt. Maybe we should go this way. They can step over easier. There they go. This Dirt Continent. You like it? Lots of dirt over here. Lots of digging. Look who's been digging here. I don't know who's been digging. Somebody. That's a problem. That's a problem. Oops. You're going to fall right in. Oh, you're going to fall in. The black hole. Oh, it's like a Chinese garden. We just rake it and call it Zen. Be like, we planned it this way. It was not our leopard tortoises. pretty barren. Well, don't start eating that tree. Dirty bums, no. Got a little dirty touche. You're gonna have a little dirty touche too. Okay, let's go around. Let's go around. Dirt continent's not as exciting, right? Ollie, you coming?
The sun is up now. Night time being cold. Aha! Take that, weather. Mom, look at your face. Mom.
Oh, there is a bit of sunshine. Let's find it.
I keep saying pups. What do I keep